If LibreOffice has given you an error when saving your document, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through 3 simple fixes that solve the problem for a lot of users. We'll cover how to save locally first, how to run LibreOffice in safe mode, and how to avoid special characters in your file name or folder path. These steps are quick, beginner-friendly, and they can save you a lot of frustration when LibreOffice refuses to save properly. If this tutorial helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software fixes. Let's get into it. First, let's start with the most common cause. If you're saving directly to a cloud folder like Google Drive, OneDrive, Dropbox, or a network location, LibreOffice can sometimes struggle while editing and saving the file. A better method is to save the document to a local folder first. For example, save it to your desktop, your documents folder, or another folder stored on your computer itself. Once the file is saved successfully, you can then drag and drop it into your cloud folder afterward. This simple change often fixes save errors right away because LibreOffice is working with a local path instead of trying to sync in real time. So if you're getting repeated save failures, always test saving locally first before trying anything more advanced. Next, if the problem continues, the second fix is to run LibreOffice in safe mode. Safe mode is very useful because it can temporarily disable extensions, reset certain settings, and help you figure out whether your user profile or add-ons are causing the save issue. To do this, open LibreOffice and go to Help, then click Restart in safe mode. LibreOffice will relaunch with a special troubleshooting mode. From there, you can choose to continue in safe mode or reset parts of your configuration if needed. If an extension is corrupt or if your user profile has become damaged over time, safe mode can help clear that problem and stop the save loop. After restarting, try opening the same document and saving it again. In many cases, the error disappears once LibreOffice is running without the problematic profile or extension. Now let's move on to the third fix, which is something people overlook all the time. Check your file name and folder path for special characters. LibreOffice can sometimes have trouble saving files if the name includes unusual symbols, accented characters, or other characters that may not be handled correctly in certain folders or sync locations. For example, if your document name includes strange punctuation marks, emojis, or accented letters, try renaming it to something simple like report, notes, or document test. Also check the folders leading to the file. If the folder path has unusual characters, long names, or symbols, that can also trigger saving problems. A clean file name with standard letters, numbers, and simple hyphens is always the safest option. So if your save error is still happening, rename the file, move it to a simple folder path, and try again. To recap, the fastest way to fix a LibreOffice save error is to save locally first instead of directly to the cloud, restart LibreOffice in safe mode to rule out extensions or profile problems, and remove any special characters from the file name or folder path. These 3 steps solve a lot of common saving issues without needing a complicated reinstall. If this video helped you fix the problem, please give it a like and subscribe for more helpful LibreOffice tutorials and quick software troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.